How to clear Lyft cache using Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can clear Lyft cache using your Android device. For this, you first of all want to open up your settings. Once you have opened the settings, scroll down and then tap on Apps. Now, a list of all the apps installed on your device will be displayed here. You simply want to scroll down and then find the Lyft app here. If you don't want to scroll and find the app, you can also tap on this search bar and then simply type in Lyft. As you can see, the Lyft app is appearing here. Tap on this option. Now you have different options over here. You want to scroll down and tap on the one that says storage. Here you have all the information about the app storage such as data and cache. Now if you want to clear the cache of Lyft app, simply tap on clear cache option. As soon as you do that, the cache has been successfully cleared. If you also want to clear the data, tap on clear data option and then tap on the delete option. However, remember that whenever you do this, you will again have to log into your account since all the data of the application will be deleted. And in this way, you can successfully clear the Lyft cache using your Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.